bridge inspection, or also in other words, a kind of creating a digital twin of an ancient bridge. It's called the Alcázar Bridge in Toledo, Spain. So I think it was built in the Middle Ages, and in order to create like a digital twin for the bridge, we want to fly really close, like about only 5 meters away from the bridge. I guess you can imagine if we are using the traditional like manual drone flight, feature, it's going to be a really difficult job. But luckily, from DJI side, we have created some new features. Like on the right side, you can see the prism flight route, as well as the facade mapping or the slope route function. So which makes this close range photogrammetry work much easier than before. And here I would like to show you also some quick screen recording of how the final deliverable look like. So you can see here, this is the details for the different part of the bridge with some sculptures, and also it's actually using a combination of what I mentioned, the geometric route and also the slope route features, by getting all those details of the bridge. And with these drone data, I think also can be really helpful when the archaeology departments, they're trying to study the bridge and also make sure that we can have proper conservation and protection for the ancient buildings.